Good afternoon, scrappers, scrapperinos, you know who you are. Welcome to another glorious day, Thursday. It's a lovely afternoon, not a cloud in the sky. Well, I'm lying, there's a cloud over there, for goodness sake. Didn't see it looking straight ahead, I saw nothing. Just over there. Never mind. But then, nonetheless, it's a beautiful day, afternoon. It was a bit hot. Me and the wife busy pulling apart air cons. At the time of our life, as always. Time of our life. Thought I'd share with you a few bin finds that I had over the course of what? Monday and Wednesday. Yes. Yeah, was it? Yeah, I think. Yeah, Monday and Wednesday, because Tuesday I didn't have a look. So yes, for Monday and Wednesday, 2 stops in the afternoon, check the bins, see what goodies I could find, and I came up trumps as usual. Although I'm not always a winner, but pretty much mostly. Okay, so I'm going to pick this up. As I always say, I'm going to pick it up, right? Flip it around. You know what I'm going to say. We're going to show you the goods, and we can have a good old gander at them, rightio. There we have it. Okay, it was a bit of a blowy day as well, mind you. So here we have these, rightio. Big suckers. I'm pretty sure there's bound to be a nice big ballast in there. Maybe I should whip the back of one open and give you a look. Okay, got these. Okay, here. Now, there's nothing much to these bloody things, rightio, but I grabbed them for one reason. Because they are easy to remove, 4 screws, and the electric motor that I can just knock off with the cold chisel. Those batteries, okay, a couple small batteries, I found those as well. These things, okay, lights, I grabbed these 2, as you can see, ballast in them, and that there is an electric ballast, which has just got a circuit board in it. I pull those apart as well, throw the circuit board in the circuit board drum. I'm starting to knock these things open too, and as I've got some here as well, just to show, because inside, where is it? But hang on, let's not get distracted. We'll go on with what I got first, and then we'll show you. Okay, this sink here, found that sink in one spot, and I found this in another bin. Wonderful, nice brassy bits. We love brassy bits. Cable, okay. This orange stuff I found on a job site, and all the rest was found in the skip bin. So that's lovely. And here we go, these things. Check out these bad boys. Floodlights, big kahunas. And check that out here. You see, look. I'm pretty sure there's bound to be a bit of weight in this ballast. Okay. Bit of bloody weight in that. These here, capacitors, aluminium. Keep those. Chuck them in your FE aluminium tub. Okay. So bloody sensational. Be looking forward to whipping these things open. There's not a lot to them, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Okay, and a bit of aluminium here for the lining, sweet. And just in here will require a scratch test of whether that's brass or copper, and again, nice and simple to remove. Got to remove one of these and weigh it up to find just how heavy these bad boys are. I don't know if it's always the case, but I'm finding that the ballasts also based on info from a friend, that they're roughly based on his finding that ballasts contain about 25% of the weight in copper. Rightio, that's just to give you a ballpark idea, rightio. 25% of the weight of the ballast is copper. That may not ring true for every single ballast, but that's kind of what you work on for now, rightio. And as you can see over here, the old ballast collection is slowly growing. I'm going to have my work cut out for me, that's for sure. And this here is my bucket of shit, rightio. My shit bucket. It's all full of miscellaneous goodies, rightio. Now I've started to find it, well, not started, that's bloody bullshit. In the past I've found a few of these in the in air cons, and most often than not I've just turfed them in the bin. But today got the better of me.
Don't have shoes on.
Okay, you be careful, okay? You wear shoes. But today got the better of me, and I thought I'm going to get the little hammer and I'm going to knock the top off this and find out what's inside. Okay? So, that's what I did. And this is what I found. That is inside that. Okay? So, yeah, not too bad, eh? Not too bad at all. And I also removed the pins of the these as well. So you got 2 brass pins, and these 2 were copper. Okay, did the scratch test, and that's what it was. So I got a couple of those to knock the heads off. I've seen Johnny Swedish Scrapper pull apart a couple of these, rightio, and there's a few goodies in here apparently. I think there's some silver buttons, etc., and copper and all that sort of crap, so that's why it's in my shit bucket, so I can pull this apart at a later date and have a bit of a gander. These bloody things here, okay, whatever these bloody things are, I'm sure someone will tell me what they are, but nonetheless in the shit bucket for a reason, so I can rip them apart and have a look. Yeah, what else we got in here? Shit bucket. These, lots of these, rightio, all for the brass connections that these plug into. Okay, all for that. So I've got a heap of those in here as well. Wonderful. Welcome to ground zero. Okay, ground zero. Now this is what I'm talking about. These things, okay, can be found in these things, rightio? Aluminium. So I chuck these into every aluminium bucket. So here's my hammer, okay? We'll knock the top off and you can have a bit of a look. Just a little bit of a tap-tap, and there you see it, okay? So just another way to get a little bit more value out of your scrap. Once I can bloody get that bit of plastic out in the middle, okay? Let's just give it a bit of a cut there on the end, and just cut that there. Magnificent. And that's that. Fe aluminium in the bucket. Weighs 2/3 of stuff all. You know what? Stuff all's better than nothing. So, as you can see, another one. Let's chuck that over there. Okay. Easy. A cinch. Just cut the bit to hold it in. Easy. See? Tap, tap, tap. Wonderful. And as you can hear the children upstairs yelling out, hello, hello. There you go, look at that. Unreal. I tell you, it don't take long, just a bit of a tap on the ends and Bob's your uncle. Done. Okay. See, that's it. There. Oh, look at that golden. Gold. No, not really golden. Aluminium. Okay, wonderful. In the bucket. Plastic. Clear that out for another day. But how about we rip the top off? Bear with me, because I'm at ground level just like you. So how about we go and whip the top off that thing over there, and we can check out the bad boy ballast in it. Let's hope that this is going to be viewer friendly, rightio. Screws do what they're supposed to do. You know, come out instead of just being plain old stubborn. Okay, we're off to a good start. Sort of. And get the bad boys out. There we go, wonderful. So the bad thing is that they just bloody turn and not come out. That is not a good thing. How about that? Ain't gonna work, you bloody goose. Ah, for goodness sake, it's already gonna make a fool out of me. A fool. It didn't take bloody long, did it? Okay, so let's try something here. Whoop, careful. Very, very careful, sir. This is not a good video already. It's turned to garbage. Let's try that, okay? A little bit of a... No. I'm going to have to reevaluate my bloody options. What's going on? What is going on? Things don't always go too well, do they? Maybe I should have had a bit of a dummy, a test dummy before I bloody started. Oh, yeah. Let's try this. Oh, well, here we go. Success. Cha-ching. Sort of. Yeah, man. There we go. Ba-boomba. That's it, that's it. There we go, ba-boomba. Bloody unreal. That's that. And this aluminium stuff is pretty sharp. So watch yourself, eh? Pretty bloody sharp. So, that's that bad boy. Okay. Just one of them long suckers. Okay. A long sucker. screws, cutters. Alright.
Daddy!
There, look at that.
Daddy!
Beast. Steel casing
Daddy!
all around the outside. Hang on a minute, let me get comfortable here.
Daddy!
Quiet please, because I'm in the worst position. Now you've got to be careful how I sit. Don't want to see me jocks. There you go. The steel frame. Okay. So it's a matter of figuring out how to get the goods out, or if it's worth getting it out, considering the effort that could possibly be involved.
Dad, can you show Daddy some? Can you show them something, please?
No, you can't,
Why?
because
It's only a little bit, and I'll give it back to you. Promise.
no, you have to wait, Dominic. I don't think they care about your Halloween stuff, mate.
Maybe was like kid.
Yeah, cool. But anyway, that's that, okay? As I'm getting interrupted.
Smash the eyes.
No, Damien, Dominic.
Eyes.
No, that's silly.
Silly.
Silly. Okay? You don't smash glass. So anyway, that's that, okay? Bit of weight in it. How much weight? I might find out. Alright. Got me trusty little digital scale thingies. Find out what it weighs. .8. 2.83 kilos. So I guess pretty standard for these sorts of this size. Okay, pretty standard. How about we whip out bloody one of the ballast things from those big floodlights. They look a good size. Let's do that one too while we're at it, eh? Again, not too much involved. Just cut the wires. Radio, that's that part. Get this. Oh, that's great. Let's see what this. Gonna play hardball, eh? Get in there. Okay, just have to lift it. And she come out. Screws. I don't want screws laying everywhere because we don't want to drive over them with the car. So, again, here we are. Ground zero. Looking at the goodies. Okay. Now the question is this actually copper? Here we go.
Daddy, when you finish almost finished, can we show them?
Just hang on, mate. So that's how we just get that off. Alright. Let's just have a look. Well, I tell you what. I might, instead of just scratching it, let's just grab something. We'll make this a bit more clearer.
No need to cut it.
Look out, boys.
What can we do with that?
Don't touch it. That's what you do. You hold this one, right? Boom, boom. Let's just give it a little bit of a scratch. And
That boy. Daddy want some chips?
no, I don't want any chips, but thank you.
Fish?
It looks like it's copper.
Daddy, why get this bond? Don't make that bond.
Hang on, mate. No. There we go.
Daddy, I was so lucky in something.
Can you boys be quiet for a minute? So So it's a blooming shame that that is aluminium. Sucks to be this ballast. Rightio. So we know what's going to happen with this one. Straight into the electric motors bin. And I'll get me $1.06 a kilo for it. That'll do for me. So that's that. I will probably, what are we going to do here? Look, we're here, aren't we? We're here. I guess to unscrew these. Look, let's just have a look at something here. Look. Cord there, cable. Reasonable length of it too, mind you. Okay, let's cut this off here. You can have a bit of a look. These. Remove. Hold that there. And we can unscrew that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Screw goes, the nut goes in there. All little bits go where they're supposed to. And whatever I did with my cutters, for goodness sake, I only just had them. Oh, you idiot. Right here. Goodness. Great guns and straight into the FE aluminium bucket over there. Right here. That can stay like that. Actually, cut it. The wires will go in the cable bucket or cable drum. Beautiful. Just go there, there, and over there. And now we can take this off as well. The other one. Hold it, unscrew it. Unreal. And that's that, my friends. Piece of candy. FE aluminium, and that one there seems to be a lot heavier. She was heavier than the other one. I wonder if that's copper inside it. We're never going to know because I ain't going to bother opening it. But anyway, that was that. And I'm very uncomfortable, but show must go on. So I've got this. As I said, past alley, okay? Past alley, beautiful. And we have, oh yeah, screw here. Will make things a bit easier. Take this out. Alec. Need to wrap a sandwich. Wrap your sandwich with that. This will go in my sheep alley tub. Alright. Gee, this is turning into a let's pull shit apart video, isn't it? Instead of not just looking at bin finds. So you got more than what you bargained for. So if you've watched it to the end, you've got your full viewing out of it, rightio. Your full value viewing. Don't forget, like and subscribe while you're watching. cable copper in that too. Sweet. Like and subscribe while you're watching. Make sure you don't forget, okay? Do it now while I've told you. Rightio. And also, don't forget to hit the ding so you can be the first to know. The first to know when I posted a video. Screws, steel, that'll just go straight in the trailer because tomorrow I'm doing another steel, scrap steel sell off. Okay. I did one on Tuesday as well. Got a whopping $60, but I'm chucking all my steel in the smaller trailer because that one there's got a pretty nice cover on it, and just think it's the safer option. Rightio, the safer option. And I'm going to get up for a second, and we'll just keep on going. Rightio. Fingers in there, unwinding, there we go, great guns in. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're gonna have to steels out again. Chuck it over there. Fingers. Water. So I've had it outside. It rained. Okay. Wow, stuck out the bin. Wonderful. The rubbish stuck on my hands as well. Now let's get this off. Out there, and then we've got this. Okay, now what we're going to do is undo a couple of screws, and she's all gold. Take gold, and right, we'll take them out. Holding this in. Okay. What's going on here? What's going on is those screws are holding it in. Take these. Excellent. Good. Goodness me. Steel that go over that side. We've got a little bit of drama. Okay? Drama. This doesn't want to come out. There's some small screws that are holding it in, and those small little screws, they don't want to come out. Do you want me to pick up that camera and point it at you? What? hates being on camera. Hates it. You know what? There's only one way to fix this problem. One way. Because this is kind of like some sort of ceramic or whatever it is. It's time to get brutal, okay? There. Problem solved. Sort of. And I can pick this up. And put it in the bin. Okay, let's just unscrew it. Oh, come on, mate. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. I'm going to hold this little nut on the bottom. Ow, that bloody worked. That didn't work. Okay, let's try that one. Okay, let's just get it in there. Hold it in place. Come on. Oh, for goodness sake. And it. Did I get it? Oh, for goodness sake, no I didn't. This is turning into a bit of an entertaining video, I can tell you. Goodness. Entertaining. So get in there, line it up. There we go. Now we showed you, you turd. Showed it. There. Now, let's check out what this is made of. Bit of a rub, or actually, forget the rub. It's just scratch it easier. This is glass. Beauty. Okay. This one. We'll find this one out too. Probably the same. Indeed it is. Brass. Okay. Great. One more thing here. Again, this one here, stubborn. Bloody nuisance, I tell you. Just bop it. Goodness me, this is turning into a hell of an effort for this bloody thing. Hell of an effort. There, hell out. Righty. All that for more brass. Got the joke. There you go. Hope you all had a bit of a laugh at that. Because I certainly didn't. Bloody good for nothing. So anyway, that's your brass out of that light. I've just got to remove a bit of plastic from here, and I think other than that we should basically have, oh, there's some nuts over there, but other than that we should basically have some clean cast alloy, but I will remove them out of camera. Okay, so anyway, that goes in the clean brass bucket. Over there, your beauty spring goes there, and let's just pick this up. Okay, pick that up. The wife's over there. Oh, that's funny. Oh, let's just get this looking good again. Bring it down. Yes. Wonderful, wonderful, incredible. Whew, look at that 35-minute video, you're kidding. I wasn't expecting that, that's for sure. Well, it's a wrap from me, my friends. Said it once, twice, 3 times. Like, subscribe, ring the big ding, and have a fantastic day or night. I'm going to finish off this can. Maybe that'll do. I think just one can's good enough for me today. I'm going to clean up, put this crap away, and to enjoy the rest of the afternoon. So it's a wrap. Peace out, my friends.